Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing with these floors is I'm actually using a product called Rejuvenate. One is a cleaner right here, and one is the actual polish or restore, they call it. And this is what we use in some of the other bedrooms there, and it actually worked out pretty well. The cleaner, it was okay. What we actually ended up doing was going, first you gotta sweep or vacuum, then maybe mop a little bit, very lightly. But now we're gonna go ahead and use the All Floors Cleaner by Rejuvenate here to finish cleaning up the floors before we actually put on the Restorer. Let's check it out. So what I did here, I'm hooking up this little brush to this little mop that it gives you, and I'm using the All Floors Cleaner. Just kind of push that in there till it snaps. Get this piece, and it has these little Velcro things here, and here's your little pad. So you just press that on there, and there you go, you're ready to go. And this is what you're going to use to actually polish up the floors. I'd let this dry for a little bit after cleaning it. As for the brush, it's as easy as pressing this button here to get off. And then you kind of just slip this one on, and there you have it. So now you're actually going to take the Restorer here, and what you do is real simple. You just squirt it in an S-shaped pattern, and then just go over it. Here we go. And you're going to do like 5 feet sections, about 5 feet sections. It's not that complicated. See the difference now from the polished area to the non-polished area. So that pretty much wraps it up for how to use this Rejuvenate product to restore some hardwood floors. Again, the process is cleaning it up with sweeping it, vacuuming it, maybe a light mop. Use some vinegar if you have paint or other hard glue materials or something like that on top of there, like if you rip up carpet. Some vinegar or other materials to really help get that carpet glue, or whatever you call that, the adhesive, off of there.
The floors under here are beautiful and in really good condition. So we're gonna JoJo this shit.
Then go ahead and use the Rejuvenate cleaner to really just finish up the cleaning on there. And then the Restorer, it's actually a really simple process. We didn't have to sand any of our floors, luckily, except for in a few spots. For the most part, the floors are actually in pretty good shape. So that's really it. Look how nice they look. This is freshly done. I'll show you all the other 2 bedrooms here in a little bit as well. And remember to subscribe so you can see more content just like this. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms, and I would also really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.